How to create your X account with Google account. First things first, what we have to do is we have to search up x.com. After you've done that, go ahead and click this button which says sign up with Google. Then select your Google account. Make sure to click continue now. And now you'll be redirected back to X. Now here's where you have to fill up your information like your date of birth. So just make sure you do that. After done that, click sign up. It should be good to go. Now it will ask you to set up your username. You can also skip everything for now. It will ask you to pick at least 3 different topics. Make sure to just do that. Then follow certain accounts which it tells you to follow, and then click next. And then you're pretty much done. This is how you can create your X account with Google.